What if the reason you feel stressed, exhausted, or unhappy at work has less to do with your job itself and more to do with how you think about life every day? What if learning to enjoy your life is actually a skill? In this video, I'm sharing key ideas and personal reflections from How to Enjoy Your Life and Your Job by Dale Carnegie. This classic book is filled with practical wisdom about reducing stress, improving relationships, finding meaning in work, and creating a more positive mindset in everyday life. The main message of this book is simple but timeless. Happiness and satisfaction are not only based on external success, they are strongly influenced by your attitude, your habits, your relationships, and how you respond to daily challenges. A meaningful life is built from daily choices and mindset. One of the most important lessons in the book is this: stop worrying excessively about the future. Many people destroy today's peace by constantly stressing about tomorrow. Focus on what you can control today. Break large problems into smaller actions. Stay present instead of mentally living in the future. Your focus shapes your emotional state. Constant complaining creates negativity and stress. Practice gratitude daily. Appreciate simple things you normally ignore. Gratitude changes perspective. The quality of your life is deeply connected to the quality of your relationships. People want to feel respected, heard, and valued. Listen more carefully to others. Avoid unnecessary criticism. Show genuine appreciation. Strong relationships create a happier life and work environment. Many people see work only as pressure or obligation. But the book encourages a different mindset. Work can also be a source of purpose, contribution, and growth. Focus on the value your work creates. Improve your skills continuously. Bring positive energy into your daily tasks. Meaningful work feels lighter than meaningless work. Stress often comes from overthinking, fear, and mental overload. Rest before exhaustion happens. Don't carry every problem emotionally. Simplify unnecessary worries. Organize your priorities clearly. A calmer mind makes better decisions. One of the strongest messages in the book is this: two people can face the same situation, but experience it completely differently because of attitude. Focus on solutions instead of only problems. Respond calmly during challenges. Train yourself to look for opportunities in difficulty. Your mindset influences your quality of life. One lesson I personally took from this book is this: many people spend years chasing success while forgetting to enjoy the life they already have. Real happiness often comes from appreciating ordinary moments, meaningful work, and healthy relationships. How to enjoy your life and your job reminds us: a fulfilling life is not built overnight. It's created through daily habits, healthy thinking, gratitude, and meaningful connection. If this message resonated with you, comment "Enjoy the journey" below as a reminder to appreciate life more deeply. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs more peace, balance, and positivity in their life today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.